clip hairstyles are always a fan favorite on my page, and I have two for you that I know are going to be popular because the last time I did this style in a video, it got over 100,000 views, and I am going to show it to you today, but I'm going to break it down and explain the technique in a lot of detail because I know a lot of people actually struggled to get this one just from watching me do it. This style is perfect if you don't have a ton of hair, but it will actually also work really well in honestly pretty much any hair type, whether your hair is thick or coarse or thin or fine. It really doesn't matter. You can do it in pretty short hair. The all-up version might get tricky if your hair is above your shoulders, but the half-up version would absolutely work. Just keep in mind the thinner or shorter your hair is, the smaller of a claw clip. If your hair's shorter, you'd probably need something even smaller than this. This is only about, I would say, like a half size claw clip. And if your hair's thicker and longer, you're gonna need a bigger claw clip because you're gonna be clipping more hair. So I'm going to start by showing you both of the styles. They're pretty much the same style, just one is a half up version and one is a full up version. And then after, I will break down the technique for you. So first we're doing the all up version, and you can see it's just super quick and easy, but results in a really fluffy, full, pretty style. If you're worried about it falling out, add a little bit of texture spray to your hair to start with, or a little bit of hairspray when you finish, and that should help you hold it. You could also add bobby pins to the sides. Now, to slow it down and explain it, you're going to gather all of your hair into a ponytail. Try not to hold it too tight, because that way you're going to get a looser finish. Take one of your fingers, and you're going to fold the hair up over your finger like that, and then you're going to turn your finger pointing up and twist it at the same time that you're pulling the tail down. And once you've twisted it and you've made a loop, you're just going to pull your finger out, hold that against your head. Now, don't clip too far away from the twist. You want to put the clip right over the twist. If you open up your claw too wide and pull hair from too far outside of that twist, you're going to make a lot of bumps and you're going to lose that nice smooth texture of your updo. And I just like to leave my baby hairs out and get a little bit more of an undone look, but you could clip those up as well. That's totally up to you. And again, you could stick bobby pins on the edges of this if you feel like it's too floppy. For the half up version, you're literally doing the exact same thing. Fold the hair, loop it. I sometimes with a less hair, I might loop it twice instead of once. It's really up to you. I used a smaller claw clip this time just to show you that a smaller one will work because this is technically a lot less hair. And you can see this one's a little floppy, but it still holds up fine, and I chose not to put any bobby pins in it, but you could if you're concerned about that. I hope that helps. I hope that this breakdown has made it a little easier for some of you who struggled with these two claw clip styles originally. Get them finally, because they are a really fun, easy way to put your hair up and create a lot of volume in that kind of space that you've created, that style you've created. Often when we put our fine hair up, we're left with these little tiny shapes and buns that don't feel pretty or full or kind of just this, you know, that sexy fluffy look that girls with a lot of hair get. But this is a technique that allows you to get that fullness in that shape back there without actually having tons and tons of hair. So it is an absolute go-to twisty technique for me, and will work with pretty much any amount of hair. Just the less hair you use, the smaller clip you're going to want to apply. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my 3 videos that I post every single week and my shorts that I post every single day. Leave me a comment below letting me know what you want to see because I'd love to hear from you guys. Bye, guys.